Exercise 15.1, question number 11, class 9th. 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contained the following weights of flour. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. We are having 11 bags of wheat flour and 5 kg is marked on each bag. When we weighed these bags at our own, हमने वो bags उठाए और खुद से weight किए, तो what we found that some of the bag, one of the bag was weighing 4.97, one of the bag was weighing 5.03, one was weighing 4.98, one was weighing 5. So you have to find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of wheat flour. अगर हम randomly कोई bag बीच में से उठाते हैं रैंडमली मतलब अपनी मर्ज़ी से, जैसे बिना देखे, तो उसका वेट शुड बी मोर देन 5 kg. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू फॉर दैट, पहले आप क्या देखोगे कि 5 kg और लेसर देन 5 kg वाले कितने हैं. वन इज़ दिस, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bags are having weight equal to 5 or less than 5. So we have to calculate. So first of all, total number of bags present 11. Number of bags containing more than 5 kg, that is 7 bags. 11 minus 4 is 7. Probability more than 5 kg is 7 upon 11. जिनकी 5 kg से ज़्यादा probability है, that is 7 upon 11. How we got 7 upon 11? Number of favorable outcomes or possible outcomes, that is 7 divided by total number of outcomes. So this was our question number 11. Now let us move to the question number 12. First of all, in question 5 exercise 14.2 you were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city for 30 days. Using this table, find the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12, 0.16 on any of these days. So this is the question from exercise 14.2. For checking the frequency distribution table, you have to move to this question number 5, exercise 14.2. So I gathered the information from this exercise is that concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 and 0.16 in any of these days is 2. ठीक है. And total number of days in which data was recorded. It has been mentioned in the question also. कितने दिन डाटा रिकॉर्ड किया हमने सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड का. It is a major pollutant of the air. Whenever you do in the chemistry or portion also, question has been asked why Taj Mahal is getting yellow. That is because of the major pollutant in the air, that is sulfur dioxide. Okay. So कितने दिन हमने डाटा रिकॉर्ड किया? For 30 days we recorded the data, and number of days in which data was recorded, right? That is 2. So again our probability will be equal to like sulfur dioxide की लिख लीजिए आप. Favorable outcomes, possible outcomes 2, total outcomes 30. 2 1 the 2, 15. So probability of sulfur dioxide will be 1 upon 15, right? Now let us move to the last question of this exercise, that is again from exercise 14.2, question number 1. You were asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the blood groups of 30 students of a class. मुझे तो क्वेश्चन भाई याद आ गया. 30 स्टूडेंट्स का ब्लड ग्रुप दिया हुआ है. यूजिंग दिस टेबल टू डिटरमाइन probability that a student of this class selected at a random has blood group AB. तो total outcomes here are total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 30. Number of students having blood group AB is equal to this. You will move to the exercise 14.2 and will check this question and will come to know that the आप जब उसमें कैलकुलेट करोगे, काउंट करोगे ना, then you will come to the number of students having blood group AB is 3. ठीक है जी. So probability of having blood group AB, probability, that is possible outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So possible outcomes we are having 3, total outcomes we are having 30. So that is 3 1/10. So this was our chapter number 13, probability, right? So this chapter is over now.